How to store luggage in Rome. Cheap and easy. Honest review and user experience. If you've ever landed in Rome hours before check-in, you know the struggle dragging suitcases over cobblestones while trying to sightsee. That's why I tested a few luggage storage services in Rome to find out which ones are truly cheap, safe, and convenient. Most people think your only option is the train station lockers, but the surprising truth is that private luggage storage apps have taken over and are much better. I used Radical Storage and Stasher, both offering hundreds of drop-off points near Termini Station, the Colosseum, and Vatican City. Here's how it works. You book online, pay a flat daily rate, usually around €5 per bag, and drop your luggage at a verified local shop, cafe, or hotel. Each location scans your code, secures your bags, and covers them with insurance. The whole process took less than 2 minutes. I tested 3 locations. My favourite was near Piazza Navona. The staff were friendly, the shop was clean, and pickup was instant. My bag stayed safe for over 8 hours, and I could explore the city freely without worrying. One tip: always check reviews before booking. Some places have limited space or earlier closing times. Also, remember that storing luggage at Termini Station directly is more expensive, around €12 per item. If you're travelling on a budget, these luggage storage apps are a game changer. Higher, affordable, secure, and perfect for short-term stays or late flights. So next time you arrive in Rome early or need a few extra sightseeing hours, skip the hassle and drop your bags with one of these services. You'll thank yourself later.